Welcome to our comparison of two compact washing machines designed for small spaces. Today we will look at the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub, which offers a dual tub design for washing and spinning, and the SRVVTO Portable Small Washing Machine, a foldable option ideal for travel. Let's dive into their features and see which one suits your needs better. The Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub features a dual tub design, allowing users to wash and spin clothes simultaneously, which enhances efficiency. In contrast, the SRVVTO Portable Small Washing Machine has a single tub with a built-in spin dryer basket, making it simpler but less versatile. This difference in functionality can significantly impact how users approach their laundry tasks. When it comes to capacity, the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub can handle a combined weight of 32 pounds, making it suitable for larger loads. On the other hand, the SRVVTO Portable Small Washing Machine has a capacity of 13 Ls, which is perfect for smaller items like baby clothes and underwear. This difference is crucial for users who need to wash more substantial loads. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a washing machine. The Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub is priced at $209, reflecting its larger capacity and dual functionality. In contrast, the SRVVTO Portable Small Washing Machine is much more affordable at $59, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, potential buyers should consider what features are most important to them. In conclusion, both the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub and the SRVVTO Portable Small Washing Machine offer unique advantages for different users. The Erivess is ideal for those needing a larger capacity and dual functionality, while the SRVVTO is perfect for those seeking a compact, portable solution at a lower price. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.